In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use TradingView with Coinbase for smart, high-probability crypto swing trades. We're going to walk through a clean and practical workflow that helps you trade more efficiently right from the chart. The goal here is not just to place trades, but to create a simple process you can repeat with discipline. First, connect your Coinbase account to TradingView using the trading panel. This allows you to analyze the market and execute trades from one place instead of switching between platforms. Once you open TradingView, go to the Trading Panel section and select Coinbase from the list of supported brokers and exchanges. Follow the connection prompts to link the account securely. After that's done, you'll be able to view your account access directly inside TradingView and prepare orders straight from the chart. Next, apply a few key technical tools to help identify stronger trade opportunities. Add the RSI or Relative Strength Index along with two exponential moving averages, the 20 EMA and the 50 EMA. These tools work well together because they help you read momentum and trend direction at the same time. The 20 EMA reacts faster to price, while the 50 EMA gives a broader sense of the current trend. RSI can help confirm whether momentum supports the move you're seeing. When these tools align, it can help you spot cleaner entry setups instead of chasing random price action. Once your chart is set up, focus on risk management before thinking about profit. Keep your risk tight by limiting each trade to just 1 to 2% of your account. This is one of the most important habits for long-term survival in trading. Use a strict stop loss on every trade so that if the market moves against you, the loss stays controlled. Tight risk management helps protect your capital and keeps one bad trade from doing major damage. After that, choose liquid trading pairs such as BTC/USD or ETH/USD, especially during peak volume sessions. Liquidity matters because it usually means smoother execution, tighter spreads, and more reliable movement. Higher volume periods can also make it easier to enter and exit trades without unnecessary slippage. Finally, execute your trades directly on the TradingView chart using precise limit orders. Limit orders give you more control over your entry price, which is especially useful when you're aiming for quick swing profits. Instead of entering impulsively at market, place your orders with intention and let the setup come to you. This keeps your trading structured, controlled,